everyone, this is Shreya. Welcome back to my channel. I am off to another trip. Till now you must have guessed कि मैं कहीं पहाड़ों में हूँ पक्का. So yes, मैं पहाड़ों में हूँ. I am at Khairna in Uttarakhand. Basically, this is a small gaon sort of place near Bhavali, and I am going to Almora today. And ये हमारा एक छोटू सा weekend trip है. So I'll try to show you most of it. So stay tuned. ठंड में मैं आपको ये बताना भूल गई कि it's 10 degrees Celsius right now and it's 7 AM in the morning. आगे और ज़्यादा ठंड होने वाली है. I was shivering. I somehow controlled myself to shoot this video. So guys, so I have checked into my hotel where I'll be staying tonight. The name of the hotel is Hotel Shikhar, and whenever we come to Almora we always stay at the Shikhar, and since childhood. So yeah, I'm feeling a bit nostalgic right now because this was the place where we used to play as kids whenever our parents brought us here. So yeah. So I am about to give you the room tour, guys. The room is a basic one. So I took a nice shower, a hot water shower, and now I'm back. We are ready to leave for जागेश्वर. जैसे जैसे सूरज ऊपर आता जा रहा है वैसे वैसे टेम्परेचर भी थोड़ा बढ़ता जा रहा है. अभी in the morning it was very chilly, very chilly. Now it's okay, like I am in a t-shirt right now under direct sunlight. So टेम्परेचर थोड़ा बढ़ जाता है दिन में, which is quite good क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड में भी फिर मुझसे तो घूमा नहीं जाता ऑनेस्टली. तो वी आर रेडी टू लीव फॉर जागेश्वर. जागेश्वर इज़ अराउंड 1.5 hour drive from Almora. Exactly, I think it's 40 kilometers from Almora. So yes. Hi, we're twinning.
गलती से जान पूछ के
By
नहीं करा हमने.
chance, we didn't do it deliberately. So, change in plans. Now we're going to Kasar Devi instead of Jageshwar. So there was an unexpected change in our plan. Instead of going to Jageshwar Dham, we decided to visit Kasar Devi because we have never visited Kasar Devi before. And Jageshwar, we've been Jageshwar a couple of times before. Okay, so this is the view. We are at a cafe right now where you can sit, work from home, and enjoy this gorgeous view. Wow. इट्स अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो आई थिंक. काफ़ी सारी स्टेयर्स हैं जो हमें क्लाइंब करके ऊपर टेम्पल तक जाना है. I have got to tell you a lot of things about this place, a lot of facts that even I never knew. And when I reached this place, there were a couple of boards who said the story, the complete story of this place. So I think it's going to be really interesting. The popular pilgrimage attraction Kasar Devi Temple is a beautiful cave temple which is centuries old. The temple is not only of religious faith, but NASA has also declared it to be one of the 3 places in the world that lie on the Van Allen belt, which is said to have the most amount of electromagnetic radiation releasing positive energy. So now we're gonna go inside the temple and see what's inside. Also, according to the writings in the temple was found in 6th century AD. Another amazing fact about this temple is that Swami Vivekanand visited this temple, and it is today also said to be the best place for meditating. ये क्लिप देखने से पहले मैं कहना चाहूँगी कृपया शांति बनाए रखें. अगर आपको पहाड़ों में हवा की आवाज़ कैसी आती है वो सुनना है तो. Very peaceful. This is something you don't get to listen to every day. So. Alright, so we have stopped by a food truck which is located at a very beautiful point from where the views are absolutely amazing. Oh wow. Wow. In the middle of jungle.
और ये
Hi.
पार्टी हो रही है.
Honestly, we were in search of the Himalayan belt. Actually, Kasar Devi is very popular for the Himalayan views. The Himalayan belt is very prominently visible from the Kasar Devi, but due to some weather conditions, we could not spot it that day. Never seen such tiny pine trees. Look at this tree. Oh, this is such a tiny pine tree. And this fruit comes from this tree. Yes, so these buds sort of things, if you see here, these later on these buds become this. Wow. Heading back to our hotel in Almora now, and we'll be landing soon on the lift with the perfect mountain view. After spending a wonderful day at Kasar Devi, having dinner under a starry night with a view of beautiful and gorgeous lit mountains. Having a post-dinner walk on the streets of Almora, and you can see everything is closed because usually what happens in hill stations or anywhere in mountains, the shops close very soon. So yeah, everything is closed. Not to forget अल्मोड़ा की पॉपुलर बाल मिठाई जो आपको अल्मोड़ा में बहुत कॉमनली मिल जाएगी, बट सबसे ज़्यादा पुरानी शॉप रौतेला जी की है, विच इज़ लोकेटेड एट द मॉल रोड. यू कैन बाय बाल मिठाई फ्रॉम देयर एंड एनीवेयर इन अल्मोड़ा. So the day one ends here. We'll tell you all about the Jageshwar Dham in the next vlog, which will be the day 2. So till then, bye bye.